So 2011 saw the show growing by huge numbers, and I'm delighted to say that 2012 we're already seeing an increase on those numbers. We're seeing a lot of conversations out on the show floor between exhibitors and visitors, and it's proving to be a great show.
We've been producing RFID media for 13 years now, and as a small independent company we are reliant on partnerships to take our product to market. This is a particularly good venue for us, and we see that the NHS, the healthcare market as a whole, is a tremendous growth area and will benefit tremendously from deployment of radio frequency identification.
Ascom is a global healthcare company. We've always struggled in the UK in order to find the right kind of show and the right kind of audience. This show, based over the last couple of days, EHI Live, has really been fantastic for us. Now, I think we have about 250 leads, and it really is the right targeted audience.
The reason for me to be here is to learn exactly what's going on, looking at the emergence from the national picture and the changes that are happening because of the localisation of procurements, and therefore to see how that through my company we can actually start to get business cases, options appraisals done more effectively, linking into the digital process which the government is now pushing forward.
This year we're delighted with the conference programme. We have 4 theatres all packed with speakers of the highest quality. We've got feature areas including the open source Skunk Works, the EHI Awards Theatre, the Best Practice Showcase Theatre. And what we're seeing a lot more of is that there's a clinical audience coming and engaging with ideas around these subjects.
It's been a really good event, really good opportunity for us to meet our target market, members of the ICT community in hospitals. You know, it's the largest trade event in the UK for ICT. We're the largest manufacturer and supplier of products into that segment. So it's been a fantastic event, really well attended, been a really good success for HP.
We've had a very good experience here, and we're really delighted to be supporting the event for another year. It gives us the opportunity to unveil our new products and portfolio that we're taking to market. And we've had some really good sessions and enjoyed the sessions we've been involved in. I feel there's a great buzz about the place, and I think it really shows how important IT is in healthcare today.
I was really interested to see O2's telehealth system, Health at Home. I got a nice demonstration of that. It's interesting to see how they're trying to incorporate that into the NHS.
This year what we're seeing a lot of is engagement between information managers and clinicians, and seeing the coming together of ideas around how IT, how data, how systems and solutions can actually have a positive impact on patient outcomes. What we're also seeing is a much more open marketplace. There's over 120 supplier companies here, and it's really a testimony to the strength of the market at the moment.
I'm really glad I've come today because I've learned so much in about half an hour. I've learned so much about voice recognition, which I didn't have a clue about before. So I've really enjoyed my time so far being here.
Next year's show will be held at Hall 1 on the 5th and 6th of November. We're delighted to say we're making the move because we've had such positive reactions from our suppliers this year that we need to grow and expand.